Alright, today I have a GMC Sierra and I'm going to show you how to turn on the heated steering wheel and the heated seats in this vehicle, as well as how to turn off the heated steering wheel in this vehicle, as well as the heated seats. I'm going to show you how to do that. But before I get started, if you find my video helpful in any way, can you give me a thumbs up and as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. Now let's get started. So I'm sitting behind the steering wheel of my GMC Sierra. In order to turn on and off the heated steering wheel and the heated seats, what you'll do is first look towards the steering wheel. And on this particular model, to turn on the heated steering wheel, you'll see this icon right here. It is a steering wheel with arrows going upwards, and that is indicative that this is the button for the heated steering wheel. Now if I press this, you'll see that a light goes on right here, and that light is indicative of the heated steering wheel, and the steering wheel will start to warm momentarily. And now to turn that off, what I'll do is I'll press this one more again, and this light turns off, and that is indicative that the heated steering wheel is now off. Now, to move on, to turn on the heated seats, and on this particular vehicle, I'm going to show you how to do that. Now, to do that, you would look towards the center of the vehicle, or the middle console, and you'll see this right here. There are two seats right here. You have them for the driver's side, and you have two more for the passenger side. In order to turn on the heated seats, you have a couple of options. The first one is just heated the back. Now, to turn on the heated seat for just the back portion, not the bottom portion, you'll go ahead and press that, and you'll see three dots that come on. The three dots are indicative that this is on the highest temperature setting right here. If you want a lower setting or a medium setting, you'll go press that, and you'll see two dots. That's indicative of the medium setting. Now if I press it one more again, this is the lower setting. This is the lowest heated setting for heating up the back on this right here. Now if I press it one more time, it goes off, and now the heated seat's off. Now if I want to heat both my back and bottom side, I will go down right here, and you see that there's another icon. But on this chair, you'll see that the arrows are coming from the back as well as from the bottom of the seat. Now, this is indicative that the heat will be on the back and on the bottom. Now, if I press this once, it goes straight to the highest setting of heat. That's the highest setting. Three dots right there. It is the highest setting. If I press it one more time, it goes to the medium setting. If I press it one more time, it goes to the lowest setting, just like that. If I press it one more time, it goes off. Now this works also for the passenger side. They have their own controls, and they work just the same, except for this is just for the passenger side. Now I hope this video has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.